Nan, Babo Kabalin. Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Diyan, after a while, grabe,
Yes.
marerelax na naman tayo sa pupuntahan natin for today.
So this is another pampering day sa atin.
Exactly. So, thank you so much, GLAM Nail and Spa, for inviting us. Grabe. I'm excited to, have their services.
Yes.
And if you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so there you go guys. Coming in here, if you notice, ayan. So, hindi siya ganun kalakihan. And if you notice, yung mga chairs natin dito, very comfortable. Dito, sapin natin si Ma'am T. And ask natin kung ano yung mga services nila dito.
Hi everyone, I'm Christine Bldg, the owner of GLAM Nails and Spa. Ang services na meron po kami ay nails, such as gel polish, nail extension, regular manicure and pedicure. Meron din po kaming foot spa, eyelash extension, eyelash perm lift, massage, waxing or threading, IPL or also known as hair laser removal, face treatment such as facial or hydrofacial, warts removal, ear candling, and glutathione. So, ang gagawin tamo sir kang Sir Mark is ear candling. Yung purpose na or yung benefits na is lalako tamo itang dirt from in ears na. Datang emi na lang manual na pa maglako tamo po. And then, makasaw piyarin king health tamo. For example, if ating kang vertigo, ating kang sinus. So, higo pa na nga ito retang bacteria or germs king kaya kang ears. So, ang gagawan tamo po ka ma'am, is sa miya pong all-in-one facial treatment. So, inclusions na po muna sir is cleansing and lalakomi po in blackheads, whiteheads, poking face ng ma'am. Then, atin din pong ang sandang galvanic, which is lifting poking face. Maka-help ya po na re-renew na yung face tamo. So, atin niya rin pong eye bags removal or minimizer. Atin niya rin pong anti-wrinkle. So, atin mo, leta pong bisang mag-relax kareng anak or nung atin na kang edad, good ya po ini karela. Mag-start yung sir king 350 pesos. So, it depende na mo king client nung bisa yung mag-add king eye bags or anti-wrinkle, pwede ya po. Or bisa yung mag-add panulo for collagen, stem cell, or anti-acne. So, atin niya rin po ako sa cold hammer. So, ito bayo ya po ito king market, dahil rin benefits. So, walang po close na in course, relief na din po in face, mga tayo.
For ladies, what is it about having their nails done?
Oh my gosh, it's everything. Because of confidence, and it really does, it's actually for your soul, because when you have your nails done, you just become, it's like when men have a good haircut, you know, it makes you just so happy when a person touches you. When they have physical contact, when they're massaging you, or they're cutting your hair, or they're coloring your hair, it's like having your own personal therapist, because the more you see that person, the more you bond with that person, and you tell them everything. We miss having a friend or whatever that you could physically see and be with. So nobody knows you like your barber, your hairdresser, or your nail technician. Nobody knows you the same way they do. This is therapy. It's so good for your soul and your mind, and you know, good grooming is always welcome.
Yep.
I'm inviting everyone to pamper and relax themselves here in GLAM Nails and Spa. We are complex building, Barangay San Francisco, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Our nearest landmark is the Mabalacat Public Market. We are open every Monday to Sunday from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. We encourage everyone to book their appointment through our Facebook page at GLAM Nails and Spa, or you can call or text at 0915-472-4506.
Alright! Jen, kumusta yung experience mo?
Relaxing.
Relaxing, no? And would you recommend it? How was the experience?
Yeah, okay siya, and
Yan, very relaxing talaga.
Uh-huh.
Maaalis lahat ng stress.
How about you, brother?
So, this is a place na pwede niyong puntahan, lalo na kapag gusto niyong mag-relax, magpa-food spa or magpa-facial, pwede dito sa GLAM Nails and Spa.
Yes, actually one thing I learned here is the word therapy, no?
Yes.
So right now we're experiencing stress, depression. So one thing that you can, relieve from that kind of situation is to go to a spa.
Yes.
And ako naman, first time kong warts removal. And it was painful, pero for sure satisfying yan in the long run. So guys, if you want to know more about this, make sure to check out the numbers we're going to be providing below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Kung hindi pa po kayo naka-subscribe sa aming channel, please do so.
So, that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out. Bye guys.